Let me share with you how to make a Thai-style grilled fish, a special dish that is a true taste of Yunnan province. It is wonderfully tender, savory, and so flavorful that you will find it hard to stop eating. We begin with one whole tilapia, about 500 to 600 grams. The key is to make a deep cut along the back of the fish. This allows you to open it up and lay it completely flat on the grill, which helps it cook evenly and thoroughly. Before grilling, we create a simple but important first layer of flavor. Rub the fish both inside and out with a special Yunnan-style grilling spice blend. Let this sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to be absorbed. Now we prepare the heart of the dish, the aromatic herb stuffing. Start with a large handful of traditional Chinese chives, known for their strong, deep fragrance. Then gather a small bunch each of Vietnamese coriander, culantro, a few bite-sized chilies, and some regular cilantro. Chop all of the fresh herbs and chilies very finely until they are a fragrant, colorful mixture. Place them in a bowl. To this, add 1 large tablespoon of barbecue-specific chili powder, 1 small teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of oil to help bind it all together. Mix everything thoroughly until it forms a fragrant paste. Place your prepared flat fish onto a preheated grill. Cook it slowly over a steady, medium heat. As it begins to cook, lightly brush the skin with a little oil. This prevents the delicate flesh from sticking to the grill grates. When the fish is mostly cooked through and the flesh has turned opaque, it is time for more spice. Generously sprinkle another tablespoon of chili powder directly onto the surface of the fish. This gives it that essential, vibrant kick of heat. Now, take the herb paste you prepared earlier and spread it evenly over the open cavity of the fish. Cover the fish completely with a piece of aluminum foil. This will trap the steam and allow the incredible fragrance of the herbs to infuse deeply into the fish. Let the fish cook for another 2 to 3 minutes with the foil on. This final stage melts all the flavors together, cooking the herbs just enough and making the fish incredibly moist and aromatic. Carefully remove the fish from the grill. The smell is absolutely incredible. The fish will be flaky and tender, packed with layers of spicy herb flavor. It is so delicious that I strongly advise you to grill more than one fish because everyone will certainly want more. It is a truly unforgettable meal.